What factors determine the cost of building a 12 by 16 shed?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the factors that determine the cost of building a 12 by 16 shed. Whether you're planning to use it for storage, as a workshop, or any other purpose, understanding these factors can help you estimate and plan your budget effectively. So, let's dive right in.
Shed design and complexity.
The design and complexity of the shed play a significant role in determining its cost. Is your shed a basic structure with a single door and a few windows, or does it include additional features like multiple doors, skylights, or custom windows? The more complex the design, the higher the cost will likely be. Additionally, the type of materials used for the construction will also affect the overall cost.
Foundation and site preparation.
Another crucial factor to consider is the foundation and site preparation. The type of foundation you choose, such as concrete slab, gravel, or pier and beam, will impact the cost. Additionally, if your site requires extensive grading, excavation, or tree removal, these tasks will add to the overall expenses.
Size and dimensions.
The size and dimensions of the shed are significant cost determinants. A 12 by 16 shed has a total area of 192 square feet. However, the height of the shed, additional stories, or unique roof designs can influence the final cost. Remember that any modifications to the size and dimensions will affect the amount of materials required and, consequently, the overall cost.
Material selection.
Choosing the right materials for your shed is essential in determining its cost. Different materials have varying costs, durability, and aesthetic appeal. For instance, using vinyl siding might be more expensive upfront, but it requires less maintenance compared to wood siding. Similarly, the type of roofing material, such as shingles or metal, will impact the overall expenses. Consider your preferences, budget, and the climate conditions in your area when making material choices.
Location and permits.
The location where you plan to build your shed can influence the cost. Local building codes, permits, and zoning regulations may require additional expenses. It's crucial to check with your local authorities to understand the specific requirements for shed construction in your area. Permit fees, inspections, and adherence to building codes can contribute to the overall cost.
Labor and construction.
Unless you plan to build the shed yourself, labor costs are an important consideration. Hiring professional contractors, carpenters, or shed builders will incur additional expenses. The complexity of the design, size, and timeline for completion will affect the labor costs. It's essential to obtain quotes from multiple contractors and compare their prices and reputation before making a decision.
Additional features and accessories.
Lastly, the inclusion of additional features and accessories will impact the overall cost of your shed. This could include electrical wiring, insulation, shelving, workbenches, or any other customization you desire. Each added feature will require more materials and labor, resulting in increased expenses. There you have it. We've explored the various factors that determine the cost of building a 12 by 16 shed. Remember to consider the shed's design, foundation, size, materials, location, labor, and any additional features you may want. By understanding these factors, you'll be better equipped to estimate the cost and plan your shed construction project effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy building!